Inside the Fortified roofing process and why it's worth every penny. Looking for a roofing company that actually delivers on their promises? Let me show you exactly how we transform the typical stressful roofing experience into something remarkable. I'm about to take you behind the scenes of our signature Fortified roofing process, the same process that's earned us countless five-star reviews from homeowners just like you. Just last week, I met with Allison, who had been putting off her roof replacement for months because she was overwhelmed by conflicting quotes and confusing options. Within 30 minutes of us meeting for the first time, she had a clear understanding of exactly what her home needed and a payment plan that fit her budget perfectly. That's the Fortified difference. At Fortified Roofing, we've developed a unique approach that takes the stress and uncertainty out of roof replacement. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through our entire process, from your first phone call to the final inspection. You'll see exactly how we've transformed the roofing experience for thousands of New Jersey homeowners. But before we dive in, let me be clear. This isn't just about installing a new roof. This is about giving you complete confidence and peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected by the highest quality materials and the most skilled craftsmen in the industry. The first call, your journey to peace of mind. Let's start with what happens when you first reach out to us. Unlike many contractors who use automated systems or take days to respond, we believe in immediate personal connection. When you call our office, you'll speak directly with a live representative who can schedule your appointment right away. No automated systems, no delays, just real people ready to help. If you prefer digital communication, simply fill out our short contact form online. We'll promptly respond via email to arrange your estimate at a time that works best for you. We understand that your time is valuable, and we respect that from the very first interaction. Right now, we're offering a special 0% financing for 60 months on our signature Fortified roof system. If you're considering a roof replacement in the next few months, click the link in the description below to learn more about this limited time offer. The estimation process. Clear options, no confusion. When our professional estimator arrives at your home, you'll notice the Fortified difference immediately. Instead of overwhelming you with technical jargon or pressuring you into a decision, we present 3 clear-cut roof replacement options. Why? Because we recognize that every homeowner has unique needs. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the next few years or looking for a long-term solution that will protect your family for decades, we have an option that fits your goals. Our expert will walk you through the pros and the cons of each choice, ensuring that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. And here's something that sets us apart. We understand today's economic challenges. That's why our estimates include attractive monthly payment options. We believe quality roofing should be accessible to everyone, and we work hard to make that possible. Installation day, protection and precision. When installation day arrives, you'll see why our attention to detail has earned us so many referrals. We take every precaution to protect your property, starting with heavy-duty barriers that shield your home from falling debris. All of the old roofing material that we remove from your home will be carefully disposed of in a provided dumpster. No mess left behind. Our roofing options feature only the highest quality shingles and accessories in the industry. But here's what really matters. Your new roof will be installed by highly skilled, specialized roofing professionals, not general contractors. These are craftsmen who focus exclusively on roofing, ensuring that every detail is perfect. The Fortified difference, beyond installation. Before we consider any job complete, we conduct a thorough cleanup. Our team sweeps your entire property for nails or debris, ensuring your home is left in pristine condition. We've actually had customers tell us their property looked cleaner after we left than before we arrived. But we don't stop there. Upon completion of your roofing project, you'll receive all pertinent warranty documentation for your records. This isn't just paperwork, it's our promise to stand behind our work, giving you the confidence and assurance that your investment is protected. Quality control and final inspection. The final step in our process is perhaps the most important. Every Fortified roof installation undergoes a rigorous quality control inspection. We check every detail, from the proper installation of underlayment to the correct placement of each shingle. This attention to detail is why our roofs last longer and perform better than the competition. Think about it. Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. Shouldn't it be installed with this level of care and precision? That's why we never rush through installations or cut corners. Your family's safety and comfort depend on the quality of our work, and we take that responsibility seriously. At Fortified Roofing, we don't just install roofs. We provide complete peace of mind, from your first call to the final inspection. Our commitment to excellence shows in every detail. We understand that your home is your most valuable investment, and we treat it with the care and respect it deserves. If you're considering a roof replacement in the next few months, don't wait until you have a problem. Take advantage of our current 0% financing for 60 months on our signature Fortified roof system. Call us today for your free estimate or visit our website to learn more about our comprehensive roofing solutions. Remember, your roof is your home's first line of defense. Make sure it's installed by professionals who care about doing it right. We'll be here when you're ready to protect your home with a Fortified roof.